When guests come to our restaurant, we want them to feel that there is a real harmony among all the members working in the restaurant. We have a tapenade, a black olive puree we put with a tartare on top a little bit. So it's a nice contrast. Voila.
Very natural, gorgeous.
We all work very hard to make very good food. We all work very hard to source the best ingredient, to select the best wine. We're making a chilled lobster soup with fresh sweet corn and sweet pepper. You want to make sure that the presentation of the dish, the food, was overall perfect. And that's what we strive for all the time. I think it's a true summer dish in a way, celebrating the tomato, the heart of palm.
Very clean presentation, beautiful.
Rebecca will be preparing a very summer dessert. Of course, the front of the house is crucial to the experience, but the back of the house is the motor. We are coordinating every dish, and it is finished with 24 karat gold, and that gave a beautiful shimmering to the white snow. Thank you very much.
Yes, chef.
Superb. It's all about this perfect orchestration of an evening.